Finally, good news for Tirelo and Vuyokazi. Izengiqale kahle le ndaba ngizothi Vuyokazi and Tirelo, guys. Mara before I get to the story of Tirelo, Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, guys, I just want to say somebody welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. Finally, the Mseleku, they are going to do the right thing. We've all been waiting for this. So for those who don't know the story behind it, obvious last week when episode 3 ended, it was when Mpumelelo revealed that he obviously is going to take his first wife as a vision, and people were not happy. The whole week, guys, the whole week, every person was just coming out from Mpumelelo saying, come on, Musa Mseleku, you need to do the right thing, protect these two ladies, guys. So yesterday, it was the episode 4 of uthandonesthembu. They were still sitting on the same place. They continued talking, and Musa and Mayeni revealed that they're gonna go and pay lobolo to Vuyokazi and Tirelo, guys. I was so happy, guys. And it seems like wife number there, girlfriend number 3, it is there, and I think like she is a virgin. No wonder why Mpumelelo say that yena makafuna ukugana ichichi, guys. Likhona lelo chichi, guys. She's there, guys. She is there. So people have noticed the good diamond, the third wife, that girl ukhona, guys, and the uchijile ntombazana. It is alleged, not confirmed. So Musa Mseleku was saying to Mpumelelo that, you know what, even Mayeni was like, you know what, I don't understand why Mpumelelo is like this, because these two ladies, they were both vision. Young understand. So now it means that Mpumelelo ufuna uhamba yomosha yonke indawo yena la ngena khona uyamosha, guys. And then Musa Mseleku was like, no my son, isithembu sifuna ukuthi uhloniphe. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and do the right thing. Uzohamba uyolotsholwa uVuyokazi, guys. So don't worry, guys. uVuyokazi, she's still our mom cooler, honey. Vuyokazi, she's still our mom cooler. Thanks to Mayeni and Musa Mseleku, guys. I am so happy. I'm so happy, guys. Last episode, guys, that episode, I couldn't speak, honey. I was like, no way. But this episode 4, guys, I was so happy. The things that Musa was saying to Mpumelelo, guys, it makes sense. And people were blaming Musa, saying that, you know what, is the reason why this boy is like this. But guys, if you've watched episode 4, you're gonna understand, guys, what Musa, he's not a bad father. He's not a bad father. Yes, sometimes he makes mistake when it comes to his wife and you know, but in other stuff, I guess I did enjoy the episode, guys. For those who really want to watch the episode, I'm not sure it does repeat on Zanzibar Magic, or maybe you can go and search here on YouTube, because I'm not allowed to post due to copyright. But guys, and the camera and happy, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think, guys? Finally, Tirelo and Vuyokazi, they're gonna be Mpumelelo's wife. They're gonna be officially the Mseleku, guys. But there is a part also Mayeni did mention that they're gonna do the ceremony on the same day. And I don't know why. They could start with Vuyokazi. But Mayeni did mention that she's also gonna go and ask them how they feel about having the same day ceremony, a ceremony with them nciweni. I don't understand that. But anyway, guys, I really enjoyed the episode, guys. Thanks to Musa and Mayeni, guys. I was worried about Vuyokazi's future and Tirelo, guys. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Help us.